but they had agency. And that's the piece of the equation that, I feel like that I'm advocating for anyway. And I
It
honestly
costs
think we're
$38,000
all
a year.
we're all advocating for agency. Terry, you're advocating for agency. You talked about emotional development. You talked about how they feel. I think in some degree we're all advocating for agency. When you get ready to use AI, Rachel, you're going to be thinking about your own agency and use with AI. You're going to be thinking about what you do with it and how you feel about it. I use it in a lot of the ways that Scott uses it, but I interrogate it the way he does too, so that it's using my voice and my perspective and my intention and my this and my that, not whatever it spouts out. So all of that is agency, and I just I really want to see us bringing that agency, even if all we have is a chalkboard and chalk. I started teaching with chalkboard and chalk. Anybody else?
All day long.
Chalkboard and chalk. Scott, you never taught with a chalkboard?
What about the ditto
with the
machine? That was the
with
technology
the
back then.
okay, so
I don't even know what
it was
that
still
is.
it was still a whiteboard. It was still a whiteboard, but when I started, they still had the what is it, the projector that the it gets really hot with the transparency.
Oh
Yeah, you
yeah.
turn it
Yes.
on.
Yes.
Yeah, the
I can't even
transparency
think of the name of it,
projectors.
but I can picture it.
Yeah, the
With the
clear,
Visa
the
V
clear. Yeah,
pens. What'd you do when your
yeah.
Visa V marker dried out?
Man, you use a Sharpie and just hope you can get it wiped off. That's all. You gotta improvise. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
um,
Absolutely.
That became the master copy. Just use a sheet on top of it and just go down as you go when you give them the
all day
answers.
long.
Now,
You know what I'm
see, I
saying,
didn't
boy?
even know that.
See what I'm
I
saying?
like the